And CCA has given me many opportunities to grow and nurture as a cadet, both outside CCA and during CCA.
The CCA has given me chances for me to build up my physical strength and also form stronger bonds with cadets, not only just different uniform groups, but also in different schools as well.